The Google Pixel 5 has finally been revealed. We've got plenty of Pixel 5 information to share with you guys. Today we've got the design finally revealed in a live photo, a full 360-degree render of the Google Pixel 5, the release date, and the specs of the upcoming smartphone. Before we get started, please like the video if you're a fan of Google Pixels, and let me know in the comments what phone you're watching this video on, and I'll be sharing the details right after this. What's up guys, welcome to Tech Layout. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are new, then subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell on, to keep up to date with all of our future videos. Before we get into the design reveal of the Google Pixel 5, we have more news about the new Google Pixel launch event. Well, we initially thought that both of their new devices, that were going to be launched in October. But John Prosser, who has been very accurate with launch dates in the past, is tweeted to say that it's going to be launching on the 30th of September, and that the 4A 5G will be coming in October, as well as he also said that the Google Pixel 5 is going to be available in two colors, which will be black and green. This is great news for those of you that were worried that the Pixel 5 could be delayed, and it means it's only just over a month to wait. Next up, we've got the 3D renders of the Google Pixel 5, and these come courtesy of leaks and the price bar. The detail in these Pixel 5 renders come from LeakCAD information, and they tell a different story to what we previously expected. According to this information, the Pixel 5 is going to measure in at 144.7mm by 70.4mm by 8.1mm, and although it looks exactly the same as we've been seeing, we were previously told by Ross Young that the Pixel 5 is going to be coming with a 6.67-inch, 120Hz display, but that may actually be wrong. The Pixel 5 we see here shows us a 5.7 to 5.8-inch display, which is now believed to only be 90 Hz. First up, there won't be any XL version, there's only going to be Pixel 5. We get a full screen display with a punch-hole selfie camera in the top left, and if we move to the back you can see it does look very similar to the 4A. We've got a plain matte black finish with a physical fingerprint scanner, and a square camera module in the top left unlike the 4A. However, the Google Pixel 5 has a dual camera setup on the rear, and interestingly enough it looks exactly the same as the Pixel 4's camera module, but flipped upside down. And finally, Google is bringing an ultra-wide camera to the Pixel lineup specifically to the Pixel 5. As many of you already know, it's going to be a cheaper device this time around, and it won't be coming with the flagship specs. It will however be a capable device as it's using the Snapdragon 765G, and that's going to be coupled with 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB internal storage. Everything else remains similar to the 4A, apart from the increased size on the Pixel 5 allows for a much larger battery capacity. While the 4A managed with a 2800 mAh cell phone, the Pixel 5 is coming with a 3080 mAh battery that should easily last a day. Wireless and reverse wireless charging will also be there on the handset. The Pixel 5 is of course going to be 5G compatible, and it's expected to launch around $650 to $699. We've got a leaked image of both the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G. You can see they both look similar, but of course are different colors. The image originally came from a Reddit post, which has since been deleted so we can't verify the source, but when it comes to Google they're terrible at keeping secrets, so it's very likely that these are real. So with the launch date fast approaching on the 30th of September, it's not long until you guys can get your hands on the Pixel 5. Of course, do let me know what do you think down in the comments, and as always I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos, links are in the description, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and notifications bell on, so you can keep up to date with all our latest, and most exciting content. So guys, see you at the next video with more content. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Tech Layout, signing out.